How do you work with customers? Do you work with them directly, or do you work with them through partners, or?
Yeah, so our business model is we want to help customers get to the level where they can do it themselves. But as you said, it's oftentimes companies come to us when they have a serious need or a problem. So we do a lot of consulting and training to help people put out fires that they have right now. We've kind of have this teaching mentality. We provide software and services to help companies do it themselves, to make it an integral part of their existing process, where they don't have to depend on us as a consultant to come in and solve the problem for them. But we're providing the tools, and our focus from the beginning has always been, okay, how do we emphasize ease of use? How do we make this a part of the industry? How do we provide a solution? But we're always there to help and support. We have software products that sit on the desktop. We have software products that also work at the enterprise level. We interface directly with the CAD systems, but we provide the training not only in those tools but also the subject matter, because it's tolerance analysis and really required to do it right requires an understanding of a lot of things. You need to understand not only the design, but you need to understand the assembly process. You need to understand the manufacturing process. You need to understand inspection and stuff like this. And so having all of that understanding, at least at a basic level, it can be challenging for our users sometimes. And so that's why we've had this emphasis as far as providing training, providing embedded helps within our software, providing, making sure that the process of doing those is as intuitive possible to kind of guide the user through that process.